once again welcome my YouTube audience to your own channel SK Entertainment. Today, I am here with a great night cream for all of you which will give you glowing skin and remove the effect of anti-aging. So let's start the video and discuss with ingredients. You can call it vegetables and fruit cream because the elements which we use are vegetables and fruit. So, take a medium-sized potato and banana and peel them off. Now take a grating machine. It's up to you whether you take a hand grating or an electronic machine. Firstly, start grating the potato and the next banana also. Now take a hand blender and deep jug and add both ingredients. Beat well so that it comes in this texture. Now take a bowl and extract potato and banana juice into the bowl with the help of cotton cloth or strainer which you have easily available. Next, take an empty container and add extracted juice of banana and potato. Also add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. You know how glycerin is best for your skin, which I have discussed in my previous videos. Also, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix well. Next is the key ingredient of this night cream. It will give your skin smooth touch and also increase the shelf life of this cream. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of baby powder and add it to the cream. Mix very well. If you feel your cream is in liquid form, then add more powder according to your will and mix very well that no bubbles will remain. The last ingredient is totally optional. If you want to add a beauty capsule, then add 2 capsules and mix very well all ingredients. Now take an empty glass container for cream and add all cream into it. You can keep this cream for at least 15 days at room temperature. Now start applying before going to bed. Wash your face with normal water and apply to the whole face with soft and smooth hands. After 1 week you will feel the best results of this cream.